I can't maximize this. Achievement unlocked, RTFM. Okay, how big is this? 14 pages? I can do that. They actually want me to print this out. Well, you know what? Let's bury ourselves in the game. Why the hell not? Neat. I also noticed there's no music for this either. uh, how do I get out? Oh, escape. There we go. Oh, there we go. Toggle full screen mode. Yay! Okay, now I can see this. All right, I'll print the manual. Why the hell not? Where's the print button? There it is. Print on both sides of paper. Fit to margins. Do it. Prepare yourselves for the sound of laser. Watch, and I'll play this for 5 minutes and hate it. Wow, Mike's not picking that up. That's impressive. There it goes. I'm going to let that print. I'm going to grab something to drink real quick. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I return. I also acquired donuts. As, donuts. Alright, so I'm just looking through this thing that it printed at me. Feels like I should be running some music, but I know the copyright monster will attack me if I play any music. Large number of independent nodes connected on a local basis. Refer to the model-specific manual, blah, 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 blah. You can tell this guy was a programmer. Supports hardware faults when deadlocks happen. Mm-hmm. This is crazy. Unauthorized requests for copies of documentation describing this node, type T20, are reported to the State Security Bureau as required by law. Oh, Lexi, what you doing? Good girl. So type 21, or T21, is what it's showing me how to use here. This might be too cerebral for me right now, guys. So maybe I might crank up Far Cry New Dawn or some shit. Some childish stupidity that I can have fun with. Maybe Zombie Army Trilogy. That could be fun. Do you have that, Nico? Oh, yeah, this looks fun. I'm just, I don't know, man. I mean, I comprehend what I'm reading. I'm just trying to decide whether I want to do it or not. Alright, so those are... So this is, yeah, basic assembly. Type T30 stack memory node. Figure out who's... There's a to-do list handwritten on this page. Figure out who sold TIS-100 to Swap Meet Dealer. Rebuild signal multiplier. That one's crossed out. Look for book of micro optimization tips. New license plate tabs. It's a visualization module. Okay, well, that's fascinating. Let's... What are we doing here? We got Sniper Elite V2. Is that any good? I think I have that. So I need to repair 18. So I gotta repair shit to unlock these segments, I guess. Self-test diagnostic. Read a value from in X and write the value to out X. Read a value from in A and write the value to out A. Oh, I see. Yeah, I could have sworn I actually have that game. Okay, so I need to write assembly to read the input, copy it there, copy it here, and write it out. You know what? Fuck it. Let's try this. Let's see how bad I can screw this up. I haven't done assembly in 20 years. Read a value from the up port into the ACC register. Okay, so move up to down. That's going to work then. Move up, down, move up, down. This should be the same. Oh, I see. All right. I get it. That did not work. Why for that no work? Do I have to use an accumulator? No, I don't think so. Oh, it's a port. Well, that's not right though. Move law to the right port. That should work. Yeah, that's true. So how's that going to work when you're hanging out, working on the train stuff? Are they paying your lodging too, or are they just paying you a wage and you pay for your own lodging and food and all that jazz? Oh, that sucks. Maybe you can't move from a port straight to a port or something. I don't know. Move back down. Hmm. It did not work. Oh, I fucked up. Did I really have that? Who wants to bet? I had it right. And I just had the word left or right instead of left here. Son of a bitch. Yay! All right, so they're paying to put you up and get you out there and back. That's cool. I did it! Okay, read a value from in A. Double the value and write it to out A. Yay! Yeah. I'm having trouble imagining you wouldn't want to do it though. I think you're gonna like it. Read values from in A and in B. Write in A minus in B to out P. And write in B minus in A to out N. Okay, so I have to subtract both these values from each other, flip them around, and spit them out. Okay. Hey, zombie. We're going to move up into the accumulator. Right. No. We're going to sub right from the accumulator. Oh, right. The accumulator's the... Yeah, never mind. Sub right. Then move accumulator down. Hey, Kim. Here's hoping they can go back and forth. That won't work. They'll deadlock. God damn it. Okay, I got to think about this. Hmm. I don't know how to do. Well, let's see what happens when I do this. I think this is wrong, but we'll try it. So I copy into the accumulator, copy the accumulator over right, track the value read from the right, And then move down. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, this will work, actually. Up to accumulator. Sub left. Move accumulator left. Move AC accumulator down. I think that'll work. Then those will have the subtracted values, and we have to swap them. I'm going to swap two values, and you've got one accumulator. Well, in this case, actually, that's pretty straightforward. Hold that in the... No, just move that to the right. Then on this side, move into the accumulator, move up, left, move accumulator down. All right, that should do it. Look at those failures. Interesting. What did I screw up? Is that backwards? Huh. What did I screw up here? I can't see the... Where did I get 74 from? It's getting the signs mixed up on out P. And it's just completely whiffing the math on... Oh, wait a minute. Hang on here. Is there a negate? There is. All right, so we do this. And this is getting wrecked somehow. Takes the left, moves it to the accumulator, moves up from here to there. Yeah, it's getting wrecked on this math. What is it even doing? Well, you know, the sad thing. I've noticed a pattern here. Get rid of that. Oops. This is so bad. I know I'm missing something here. Hey, neat, Zartran's on this list. Darth Revan, or whoever, he did that in 4 fewer instructions than I did. Can get rid of that if move that down there. Move left. I'm not using the accumulator anymore, so wait, undo that. Move left to the accumulator and move up to the left. So this doesn't need to do anything. Well, sorry, I can get rid of one of these. I don't need to send... So I'm not doing anything with this accumulated value. When it moves to the right, nothing happens with it, so I move to the left. Oops. Screwed something up. Oh, this is waiting to go here. Stop. I don't think we need this. Stop that. We don't need that either. Move ACC down. Yeah, don't need that. That's better. Haha, I did it in 13. Suck it. And down to 4 viewers. That's awesome. This is boring the piss out of people, isn't it? Now, there's apparently a way to do it in 9. Oh, yep. And just skip that. Wait, no, we need the accumulator there, don't we? Can do, get rid of that. There, down to 11. There's one instruction I can get rid of somewhere here. No op, labels, move, last, nil. Okay. Okay, think brain. Just burning your brain out, Nico. I don't need this step. I don't need that core. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Damn it, that's still 11 instructions. Can I send the value? I wonder. Let's try this. I get the feeling if I read once, it's done. I don't get the value back, but let's try it. Yep, that did not work. Have to use the accumulator there. There. That's backwards. Okay. I might have done that backwards from what I should have done. I might have to rearrange this whole frickin' thing. So I don't have to double negative that. All right, this is stupid. This game, I knew it. Okay, now it's getting it exactly wrong. Getting the signs reversed again. What is that? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 instructions. Um, only read that once too. Shit. So I reversed it for nothing. God damn it. That's still 11 instructions. Damn, it's got to be. Can't negate. You have to use the accumulator to negate. All right, so we move it over there. We do the subtraction, move it down. What if we stuff that in the accumulator? Yeah. Move that down. That's 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. Damn it. Where'd it get stuck? Oh. It's 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shit. There's got to be a way to do it in 10 because there's somebody else that did it. I have to make a copy of it. Now P. So this path has the right value in it. Um, that's 11. Shit. How to simplify this? We have no op, move, Swap, save, add, subtract, negate, jump. What a tough little challenge. This is evil. So it's solvable, and then it's harder. You want to like the more challenge if you want to optimize it. It's got to be staring me right in the face. Okay, what if I can't do that either? Nope. It's got to go through two channels. Huh. I am open to suggestions. Oh, yeah, Paradox is going full woke troubleshooter, so yeah, sorry. Oh, don't let reality interfere with their good feels. Because if I neg it up here, oh, of course not. Men are disposable. Oh, what is the solution to this? I should be able to do this. Why can't I see the answer? Hey, Anlingus. And yeah, that's exactly right. Ugh. Brain, you can do this. I hate assembly. That's the best I can do. I can't think of a way to do it in 10. Some other show off node count stats 5. How'd I do this with 5 nodes? Oh, right. Yeah, I got rid of. I didn't use that. That's 5, 9. Wait, really? 4, 5, 9, 10. What I screw up? Oh, oh, this just needs to be left. Ah, got it. Cool. Did it in 5, did it in 10 instructions. Now, how the hell did they get the cycle count down? Sartrin. Sartrin beat me here somehow. Yeah, whatever. I'll take it. Signal comparator. Oh, damn it. Read a value from in. Write 1 to out G if in is greater than 0. So greater than, equal, or less than. Oh. When a 1 is not written to an output, write a 0 instead. I think this one's fairly straightforward. All right, there's conditionals here. What's the syntax for labels? Colon. Okay. Instruction will be executed if the next value is positive. So first, we go into the accumulator, and if we need greater than, let's see, if it's positive, we want JGZ greater. How do I... Oh, there we go. Okay, so move 1 down. All right, so if it's greater, if it's greater than 0, then we move 1 down, then jump to the end. And these are reversed. If it's not, then we fall through to that and go to the end. Right, okay. This one's if it's equal to 0. I am not doing this optimally at all. What's the less than 0? JLZ? I don't need that last jump in there. That should do it. Fail, 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 fail. Oh. I know what I did wrong. I have to go through all of those. They need a number each time, not just okay, got it. There, I see the problem. That should work. JEZ is equals 0, right? If it equals 0. Oh. Damn it. I screwed that up again. I don't need to label that at all. So if it's greater than, we jump to this. If it's not, we go here and then jump to that. No matter what, we move that to the right. Okay. I'm getting there. I'm picking it up. There we go. Hot damn, look at that. Man, wow. I beat the piss out of that one. Darth Revan only beat me by three instructions. Or 3 cycles, rather. Now, wait a minute. No idea who makes this thing. Never heard of the TIS series. Neat. Sounds like something they'd come up with in the USSR, then why is the manual in English? There's a plot in this game! Static memory encoded. Oh, God. I have to write a decoder? Yeah, this is set in the 80s, by the way. Okay. Read values from A and B. Read a value from S. When S is minus 1, write A. When S is equal to positive 1, write B. When S is 0, write the sum of A and B. Interesting. Hmm. Am I triggering you? I am kind of in the mood for something different than this. This is interesting, but I'd rather play something else. Cute little game, though.